amazing morning. Thank you so much for watching this video right now. So today, June 3, 2024, we're going to click a bonus na isa sa mga perks ng negosyo na ginagawa natin ng I Am Worldwide Business. Grabe, no? So it's already the sixth month of the year, and kahit June pa lang, you would definitely going to experience bonuses in this opportunity na ginagawa po namin. So hindi lang siya basta barley, hindi lamang siya about distribution of the amazing products, but then of course the perks of earning while you are at home. And totoo na dito mo rin pwedeng ma-experience magkaroon ka ng sarili mong bonus, okay, through the business na ginagawa po namin, which is yung I Am Worldwide Business. So ngayon, samahan niyo ako na i-click ang aming 100,000 bonus. Ayan, so ngayong gabing ito. So sige po, itutour ko kayo sa ating website. So allow me to share screen. Ayan, so this is our I Am Worldwide portal. You would be able to see there. Ayan, so I Am Worldwide, and of course this is our login, and of course our personal password. This is the website. Ayan po, sige po, login po tayo. While waiting, so makikita nyo rin po dito, this is an online portal na free na pinoprovide po sa lahat ng distributors na mag-a-avail ng package sa I Am Worldwide. So as you can see, this is our name, this is my husband, and of course my name, my maiden name, and we started being a distributor of I Am Worldwide year 2018. Ayan, so bago po kami ikasal. And as you can see, there are a lots of commissions na na-experience or nakuha na po namin dito sa negosyo with a total gross commission of 1.8 million pesos. Grabe. So magto 2 million na po tayo. So in span of how many years doing this business. Okay? Then now, para po makita natin kung paano po nagkakaroon ng tinatawag na Just For You. Okay, meron po siyang iba't ibang package. Nag-start po siya sa gold, platinum, and jade. So dito po, makikita po natin dito platinum. So yan po, no? Check po muna natin. Ayan. So, as you can see on the screen, ayan na, naka-check na. So, we have Platinum Package 4. So, you would be able to experience yung Just For You bonus from the word itself. Kailangan mo ng 4 packages para mabigyan ka ng money back guarantee ng ating company. Ayan. So, Platinum Package worth 112,000. Okay. And then, 4. Ayan. So, na-complete po natin yung 4 packages in one day. As you can see, that's May 31, 2024. And may nakaabang pa po tayong 2 gold. Okay. So, if ever na magkaroon po tayo ng 2 package, gold package na ma-DDR ulit po, no? And dadagdag ulit din po siya sa bonus. So, unlimited. Ikaw yung may control kung kailan mo gustong makuha yung bonus mo. Ayan. So, ito na. Magse-select na tayo. Nakaselect na yung 1, 2, 3, 4. Sa-submit na po natin siya. Okay, kanina nakita nyo ang total gross commission is 1.8 million. So ayan, nawala na po yung platinum package. Tignan na po natin siya sa weekly sales report. There you go. So makikita nyo po dito, Just For You bonus, 100,000 pesos. And our 1 week income. Ayan, so from May 28 to June 3, 2024, ito po, makikita nyo po, total of 180,600 pesos. Grabe. Thank you so much. I Am Worldwide. Meron tayong 106-digit income in 1 week. Ayan. So, tingnan na po natin ngayon ang ating online dashboard. There you have it. From 1.8 million pesos, ito na 1.9 million pesos. So, konting kembot na lang tayo magto 2 million circle na sa ating company. And yes, this is really a great opportunity that you can start with I Am Worldwide. Kahit part-time, full-time, or nasa abroad or estudyante ka man ngayon, pwede mo siyang gawin kasi this is online and pwede mo siyang gawin on your spare time. Imagine that pwede kang kumita ng ganitong kahalaga Okay, while you're working or if ever, sooner or later, kapag nahigitan na yung sinasahod mo, pwede mo na rin siyang gawin full-time katulad po natin. Ano? Imagine that in 1 week, etong 180,000, siguro mga 6 months? Ay, sakto June yun. 6 months kung sahod po ito, ano? 6 to 8 months na sahod sa aking previous job. Ayan. So, grabe. Thank you, Lord. We have this opportunity of I Am Worldwide that you could possibly earn kasi yung iba nag-worry baka pag nawalan sila ng trabaho, wala nang magiging earnings. Pero all you just need to do is to look for an amazing opportunity that could give you this kind of income, an extraordinary income. So kung ako sa'yo, take a look of it. Ayan, so feel free to message us para maituro namin sa iyo paano yung sistema and paano, para matutunan mo rin kung paano namin ginagawa yung negosyo. So always remember, we started it part-time, now doing full-time, the business na at kumikita na. Ayan, so thank you Lord, thank you. I am worldwide. And thank you so much for watching mga viewers and thank you so much for um, viewing this video. Hope na na-inspire po kayo and of course, na-inspire din kayo to become one of many distributors na nakikinabang sa platform na ito katulad namin. So tulad mo lang din ako, empleyado before. Now, doing the business, of course, enjoying the life that I have, working at home at the same time, and of course, helping the people na kumita din katulad ko. And pinaka-importante dito as well, yung nalilive ko po yung purpose ko to inspire others and of course to help those people in need, especially sa health conditions po nila. Salamat po sa pakikinig and always remember, everything that we have right now sa Diyos lamang po nanggagaling. So to God be all the glory. This is Mentor Nalin Arceo Tinedero and I am worldwide. Thank you, Lord.